on Rahul, आपका नाम? Ajay. So meet Ajay. He is one of the kids, you know, who stay in Uttarakhand. Oli, कहाँ रहते हो आप? Oli? यहाँ पर जोशीमठ.
Yes, बोल.
जोशीमठ में रहते हैं ये, और ये हमारे साथ यहाँ जाएंगे ओली तक. तो वहाँ तक मिले ना मिले बीच में छोड़ देंगे हम इनको. So we're having our breakfast. We are heading towards our skiing point. Bikers are getting ready. Let's go. Roads are okay, just okay, and we will be going to till skiing point from this road. And you know, at the left you can see those peaks. So guys, finally we have reached our destination. We are getting up, and now we will be going at the top, from where we will be taking cable car, and this is the only way. So guys, now it's lunchtime, so we have to wait for some time here. Look at this cable car. Yes. We'll be sitting here, and we'll be going upwards. Now we are getting up. Terrible. I've never been to this height.
पैर पीछे
Now we have.
पैर पीछे कर लो, पैर पीछे 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 कर लो, इसको उठा लो. The thing, the main thing for which we came here, I have something for you. Just look at that.
यहाँ पे वो स्टाइल दिला दोगे, सिखा दोगे. अच्छा, यहाँ सीख गए, फिर चलो ऊपर. चलो अच्छा है. अब नीचे वापस जा रहे थे घर. Let's go. So if you are, you know, if you are not able to get a hotel, you can just spend your night here.
ये पकड़.
This is not a bad idea. There is no roof at all. You can see clear sky from here. So let's not waste our time. There is snow as well. We can sleep in the snow bed. All right, let's go. So you know my shoes. You know I can't believe they are. You know they are giving a little bit great as well. So guys, beware of the Nanda Devi peak. Let me show you very clearly. In the middle there is a peak, and nobody have reached there till date. It's still a mystery how to reach there. There is no way to go there, and this is the entire mountain range. We can see that it's evening, almost 12 past, and that is the tower which comes from Joshimath directly and takes to that side. Come on, see, tower number 10. That is 8. Again, there would be another tower number 10. If we are allowed to go there, we'll go. And at the bottom, you can see that lake, that beautiful lake. Look at me. It's easy, man. Yes, I have done my part. Now it's your turn. भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
संजय.
संजय. तो आप कब से यहाँ
संजय
स्कीइंग
जी।
सिखा रहे हो?
5-6 साल से.
5-6 साल से. तो कैसा लगता है आपको स्कीइंग सिखाना यहाँ पर?
बढ़िया लगता है, जो सीखना चाहता है उसके लिए और बढ़िया जगह है यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए.
ठीक है. और कितने दिन का पैकेज है, क्या है, जरा बताएंगे आप?
7 दिन अगर रुकते हैं तो उसमें आपको पूरा सिखाते हैं, पूरा प्रोफेशनल तक. एक टर्निंग वगैरह, बैलेंसिंग वगैरह पूरा जाता है. एक दिन में सिर्फ इंजॉइंग फोटोग्राफी वही हो सकता है.
ठीक है.
कम से कम 4 या 5 दिन से उसमें बढ़िया सीख जाता है बंदा.
ओके, वेरी गुड. सो आप बताइए, आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर बताइए हमारे व्यूअर्स को, ताकि वो आए तो आपको फ़ोन कर लें.
7895513248.
फिर से बताइए एक बार.
7895513248. संजय भुजवान कर देना, ओली.
ठीक है. तो ये हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर है.
और
If you
भैया
need
आपके
any help
चार्जेस
in the
बता
future,
दीजिए.
चार्जेस बता दीजिए.
1 1.5 आवर का 500 रुपये है. अगर पूरा दिन के लिए चाहिए तो 1500 रुपये विद इंस्ट्रक्टर मिलेगा आपको.
ओके.
स्नो बोर्ड करना है तो 1500 रुपीज़ उसका भी है स्नो बोर्ड का.
ओके.
और अगर 5 या 7 दिन के लिए बुक करना चाहे तो 12,000 रुपये है उसका, एक पर पर्सन का. उसमें स्कीइंग और चेयर कार रहेगा हमारा.
Alright, great. Yes, this is water with mud. So don't expect during noon that you will get enough snow to do the skiing. Come early at around 9:30 a.m. so you can enjoy the best snow out here because temperature would be lower and you will get the smoother snow, so you can do the skiing with your rollers or the runners very well. So first staff, there are our people. He is Nishi and he is falling. Look at him.
Ooh, scared.
Yeah, it's
one?
strong. Oh, now it
Oh my
vibrates.
god.
And you know, guys, come on, let me show you. Look at that.
Wow.
That. There. Come on, look at that. If we fall from here, I don't think we're gonna be alive anymore. So, and yo, let me show you. That is the trekking place. You know, from there, people come down. And it seems very good, you know. No snow at all. But when we were up there, it was hell lot of snow.
Walk on
Snow. So guys, now we are going down. Look at the people, they're coming upwards. And you know, it shows that horizontal length is 797 meters. Oh my god, we don't have to do anything. So just get up and get down now. So here we come to the end of this ride, this awesome ride on this bike. And you know, this bike responded very well. No sign of stopping anywhere. Even the steep road was just like highway. And now let me tell you, you can hear the sound of this bike. There is no extra sound. No. So there is no extra sound as well on this bike now. To Delhi within 12 hours because I have to reach there to catch my office cab and I have to go my office tomorrow morning. So that's it from my side, and I will suggest you to come only before, you know, February month. Come in January or December. That would be the best time because that would be the time when you find lots of snow. And if you see this area, there is no snow at all. But if you come in December or January, you'll find more, and you'll get snow here itself and on that road as well. So that's all from my side. Signing off for this trip, and I'll catch you in Delhi.